Reading practice number 6. Dear Miss Cunningham, how often do you use credit? Is it 5 times, 10 times, or even 20 times in the course of a day? If you are like most people, you are not certain exactly how many times you actually use your credit. You may have used your credit this morning by calling for a delivery of groceries before you left for work. You may have used your credit after you arrived at work by placing an order for supplies to help operate your business. If you intend to eat dinner at a restaurant this evening, you will probably use a credit card to pay the check. The average person may use credit 1,000 or 2,000 times a year. As you see, credit actually adds a lot to your personal and business life. It is worth a great deal to you. You have an opportunity now, Miss Cunningham, to help maintain your good credit. As you know, you have owned our company a small amount of money for 4 months. It is true that the amount you owe us is not very big. But it does represent an obligation on your part. Please write us a check for the enclosed bill and mail it to us at our office at 4209 Main Street. It will help you maintain your good credit rating. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 7. Dear Miss Edwards, it is exceedingly easy to obtain credit. All most people ordinarily need to do is fill out a simple application blank and supply the names of 2 or 3 references. It is also easy to maintain a good credit rating. All most people usually need to do is to pay their bills promptly each month. In 1976, it was our privilege to extend credit to you, And since then you have always paid your bills within 1 or 2 days after you receive them, period. However, comma, it has been 4 weeks since we mailed you our latest bill, comma, and you have not acknowledged receiving it, period. Perhaps, comma, you intended to pay it, comma, but somehow it slipped your mind, period. Perhaps, comma, you did not separate it from the other correspondence that arrived at the same time, period. Or perhaps it was lost in the mail, paragraph. Whatever the reason is, comma, please take a moment now to write us a check for the bill, comma, place it in the envelope that is also enclosed, comma, and drop it in the mail, period. Do not hesitate, comma, Mrs. Edwards, period. We hope your good credit rating be sending your check now, period. Very sincerely yours, comma.